Now we'll talk about visualization. Visualization is a very, very important process in Yoga Nidra. When you put a Sankalpa in the beginning of the practice, as in what you want to achieve in life, or what is that one thing that you want to receive as a manifestation. So when you're sowing that seed in the process, in the beginning of the practice, in the state of visualization to the connecting point to the Sankalpa, we are actually trying to visualize what are we achieving and how are we achieving it. So we are actually seeing in visualization whatever we have sowed as a Sankalp, that is getting received and achieved. In visualization, you are actually looking behind the eyebrow center, which is called, the space is called Chidakasha, which is the inner mind space. So already you're balanced and you have come out of the mental, you've come in from the mental to the physical to the emotional relaxation, and your mind is so receptive right now that you allow yourself to go beyond and be in that state of the Chidakasha, which is the inner mind space. And this space allows you to explore that mind space and put in that message that you want to put in. Now the magic is in Yoga Nidra that you are bypassing your brain, because if you do normal practices of relaxation, in those practices your brain will still stop you from relaxing, because your brain is being programmed that way. Now in this case, when you are so relaxed, you've already put one Sankalp, you've moved stages, and you've come to a stage where now you're actually visualizing what's actually happening and what you want to achieve. Your brain will actually allow you to be bypassed. And that's the beauty of it, where on your subconscious level you are going and putting that new message there. And when you come out, and again when you take the Sankalpa, you have already seen that seed which you sowed has now sprouted, and you're actually watering it. And it's very important to externalize very easily, very simply. It's very important basically to not come out in a hush and hurry out of this process. Because you've gone into deep stages of rest, and then if you suddenly come out of it in a very hurry, that whole process will be wasted. So it's very, very important for us to follow the externalization process also. I hope you will deeply rest. For that, you will have to check out my videos, which I have posted on my YouTube for your relaxation, and they are all completely free. Check out my YouTube channel today and pick up whichever Yoga Nidra resonates with you and experience that deep rest and deep sleep. And comment in the box, did you rest?